Are you tired of sitting on the ground, pretending that rock you found is comfortable? Let's face it, we all deserve a throne when we venture into the great outdoors. Enter the world of camping chairs, where comfort meets portability, and your backside can finally experience the luxury it yearns for. In this guide, we'll explore the best camping chairs that marry style and support, so you can lounge by the campfire without sacrificing your dignity or your spine. Buckle up, adventure awaits. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Coleman Cooler Quad Chair, our pick for best budget camping chair. If you're tired of sitting on hard, uncomfortable surfaces while enjoying the great outdoors, meet your new best buddy, the Coleman Cooler Quad Chair. This isn't just any camping chair, it's your VIP pass to comfortable lounging under the stars or at that tailgate party everyone's been talking about. With a built-in 4-can cooler pouch, you can keep your favorite beverages chill and close at hand. Because who wants to go searching for a cold drink when you're trying to fully embrace that camping vibe? The fully cushioned seat and solid back provide the kind of support your back has been dreaming of, while the generous 24 inches of seating space means you can spread out without fear of personal boundaries being breached. The mesh cup holder and side pocket are perfect for stashing your essentials. No more juggling snacks and drinks like you're in a circus act. Plus, it collapses effortlessly and comes with a carry bag, making storage and transport a breeze. Weighing in at just 3.7 kilograms, this chair can support up to 325 pounds, so you can lounge without worry. Whether you're at a beach bonanza, a backyard barbecue, or deep in the woods, this chair is your trusty sidekick. So grab yours and prepare for relaxation like never before. Your rear end will thank you. Number 4. Kijaro Dual Lock, our pick for best seat support camping chair. If you're tired of those flimsy camping chairs that buckle under pressure, it's time to meet your new best buddy, the Kijaro Dual Lock camping chair. This isn't just any chair, it's your sturdy throne for outdoor adventures. With its unique locking feature, you can chill like royalty, knowing it's not going anywhere. Just lock it open for rock-solid stability while you sip your favorite drink and soak up the nature vibes. When it's time to hit the road, the quick locking mechanism makes packing up a breeze. No more wrestling with stubborn chairs. Weighing in at a mere 9.4 pounds, this chair is ridiculously portable. Perfect for tailgating, camping, or cheering on your favorite team. Plus, it's designed with no-sag seating and durable diamond ripstop polyester, so you can kick back without the fear of the dip. And let's not forget your essential gear. With 2 cup holders and bonus pockets that keep your snacks and gadgets organized, there's no reason to sacrifice comfort for convenience. Built to support up to 300 pounds, this heavy-duty champ is ready to take on your wildest outings. Say goodbye to awkward seating arrangements and hello to outdoor lounging in style. With the Kijaro Dual Lock, you'll always be the coolest camper around. Still searching for the perfect camping chair? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Kickback, our pick for best rocker camping chair. If you're tired of camping chairs that are as comfortable as a rock, and we don't mean the smooth, lovely kind, then the GCI Outdoor Kickback rocker is your new best friend. Say goodbye to the days of awkwardly attempting to sit on low-profile chairs that leave you feeling like a pretzel. This chair is your VIP ticket to relaxation, offering you a solid back that supports your spine like your best friend at a music festival. Lightweight at just 10.6 pounds, the kickback rocker comes with a carry strap that frees up your hands for more important things, like juggling snacks and a cooler full of refreshments. With a built-in beverage holder, you can keep your drink close while you cheer on your favorite team or just bask in the glow of a campfire with friends. Worried about where you'll be kicking back? Thanks to patented spring-action rocking technology, this chair rocks on any terrain, be it a flat field or a cozy campsite. It's sturdy enough to support up to 250 pounds, so you and your friends can rock out together, literally. Set up and pack down in seconds. The kickback rocker is all about hassle-free enjoyment. Just push the backrest and armrests apart, and you're ready to unwind. When it's time to go, pull the seat frame toward you, and off you go. Adventure awaits. Don't let discomfort hold you back. Number 2. Caravan Sports Infiniti Zero Gravity, our pick for best recliner camping chair. If you're tired of camp chairs that leave you feeling like you're sitting on a pile of rocks, it's time to elevate your outdoor lounging game with the Caravan Sports Infiniti Zero Gravity Recliner. This isn't just a chair, it's your new best friend in the wild. Whether you're roasting marshmallows by the fire pit or pretending you're on a tropical beach while camping, this chair has your back, literally. Crafted from durable alloy steel, this beauty boasts a tough textiline fabric that feels like sitting on a cloud while ensuring all-weather durability. Say goodbye to flimsy seats. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, you can truly bring your A-game wherever you roam. Plus, the smooth recline function and dual fingertip locking system mean you can kick back in style without needing a PhD in chair mechanics. Feast your eyes on the adjustable headrest, perfect for those lazy afternoon naps, ensuring you're propped up just right for maximum comfort. And when it's time to pack up, fold it up and stash it away with ease. This chair is not just functional, it's the ultimate companion for all your outdoor adventures. The Caravan Infiniti Zero Gravity Chair, because you deserve a throne even when you're roughing it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong, our pick for best camping chair overall. If you've ever found yourself sitting in a flimsy camping chair, wondering if it'll buckle under you like your last attempt at a 5-star meal, then it's time to upgrade to the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong, a chair that's here to save the day, or at least you're behind. Crafted with tough 600D polyester and a mighty powder-coated steel frame, this chair can hold up to 800 pounds because who says comfort can't handle a little weight? With cup holders nestled in each armrest, there's no need to choose between hydration and relaxation. Both are readily within reach as you soak in the campfire glow or attempt to catch that elusive fish. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a chair, it's a mobile command center. With more pockets than a Swiss Army knife, you can stash away anything from snacks to secrets, all while maintaining your lounging prowess. Plus, when it's time to hit the road, its compact foldable design makes storage a breeze. And let's not forget the carry bag with adjustable backpack straps, because who wouldn't want to channel their inner Sherpa while lugging around pure leisure? So whether you're camping, cheering at a game, or just enjoying the great outdoors, the King Kong is your throne. Grab one, kick back, and let the adventures unfold comfortably. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best camping chairs. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which camping chair you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.